Hi, my name is Stefan Atlee. I'm with Atlee Travel and Tours in Phoenix, Arizona, in the United States. And it's my pleasure to be here as part of the ISTTA delegation. And we're learning a lot about Turkey and all the surrounding beautiful areas. We're so excited to see more of Turkey after the conference, but this conference has been just incredible to see all the suppliers and sample the food and meet great people. So we really appreciate the opportunity to be here and promoting Turkey. Just personally, I always promote Turkey as I want people to know and be more comfortable with it, because so many people don't know about it from the United States, or just are not comfortable coming here possibly. So I want to show them my experience so that they'll feel more comfortable, and I'll have my story to share with them. And so I'm looking forward to making more stories on this trip. Thank you very much.